Another garage video, man. So I didn't record it yesterday, but we got the side skirts yesterday. Let's see. So I got it right there. I didn't put it on yet, but I got it mounted up there. I had to cut this. I made a video, but I didn't post it. But I had to cut this and mold this back, so I had to cut it right here so it could fit next to the splash guard. The side skirts that come with these cars will not fit with the GM splash guard, so yeah, that's what that was. So I got it clamped up there so I don't gotta hold it. And now we gotta put our holes in there. And I'm gonna use these rivets. I'm not using the screws that they give you with this. So let's get it. All right, we got the first one on right there. Now we gotta go over to the other side, do the same thing. As usual, in the garage videos, we show you what it look like outside. My other camera died halfway through the installation, which sucks, but we did end up getting all of it on. There they go right there, and we about to pull it outside so you guys can see it. Yeah, let me go ahead and pull it outside. It's also cold start for y'all and everything, so let's get to it. Man, it look crazy, y'all. It look real good. I didn't even think it was gonna come out as good as it did. Well, I knew it was, but you know, as you're doing stuff, you still got your doubts. See what we got here. So there we go. Trying to get a good angle so you can see it. That angle right there. That might be thumbnail. Yeah, man. Came out good, man. For $115, this is I don't think you could beat this. Just $115. I don't think you could beat this for $115 at all. But yeah, I'm not gonna drag this out. That was it for the video, y'all. Just another garage video. Texas Speed actually said all my stuff should be in tomorrow, so that's actually crazy. That's real crazy. Because they told me, they said 4 to 5 weeks. But yeah, things might start rocking pretty fast, pretty soon, you know what I'm saying? So now all the ground effects are done. We already got the front splitter, the side skirts, and the rear diffuser. One more walk around.